What HVAC issues occur after flooding? Flooding can damage heating and cooling equipment, electrical parts, ductwork, insulation, and indoor air quality, so the system should be shut off and inspected by a qualified professional before use. Floodwater can ruin a furnace, air conditioner, heat pump, boiler, or water heater, especially if the water reached the burners, motors, wiring, or control board. Even shallow water can leave mud and dirty residue inside parts that seem dry later. Do not turn the system on to test it, because hidden moisture can cause electric shock, fire, or more damage. Flooded air ducts may hold dirty water, mold, insects, and sewage particles, and the blower can spread those contaminants through every room. Wet insulation around ducts can stay damp for a long time and may need removal instead of cleaning. A technician should check electrical connections, gas lines, refrigerant equipment, drainage pipes, filters, and safety controls. One detail many homeowners miss is that floodwater can corrode metal parts weeks later, so a system that starts working may still become unsafe. Take photos, keep damaged parts untouched when possible, and contact your insurance company before cleanup or replacement. A common mistake is restarting the equipment after the water disappears, but drying the outside does not make the inside safe, so have it professionally inspected first. Another mistake is replacing only the filter when ducts or insulation were contaminated, so ask for a complete duct and air quality assessment. People also sometimes clean gas appliances themselves, but sediment can block burners or damage safety controls, so use a licensed heating professional and a qualified electrician when electrical flooding occurred. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.